In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play multiplayer in Polyfield. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can set up a multiplayer session in Polyfield and play alone or with your friends, however you prefer. So, in order to set up a session in Polyfield, you will have to go over to Create Match. If you are going to be playing between you and your friends, one of you will have to host a match. Everyone else will join the match using the host's IP address. So one of you go over to Create Match. Whoever chooses Create Match must note down their IP address. They can find this by going over to the Wi-Fi settings and then tapping on the network that they are currently connected to. This will bring up the network details where they can find the IP address associated with this network. Usually, it is going to be a string of numbers similar to this one, 192.168, and then additional numbers at the end. These numbers will often change, so all that the host has to do is copy this IP address and share it with the people who are going to be joining the server. So the host can go ahead and create a custom match. They can set up the mode, time limit, max score, friendly fire, and plenty of other options. If you want to have NPCs, make sure to customize the amount here as needed. Choose the map and then start. Once the host is inside of the game, like I said before, the host will give his IP address to everyone else who is going to be joining, and whoever is going to join simply has to paste the IP address under the join match option. So whoever is joining the match that is being hosted must paste the host's IP address here. And once they do this, they can join the match and you will be able to locate each other and play together with your friends multiplayer. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.